Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the detailed review of the 2024 Bajaj Avenger 250, a bike that blends cruiser style with everyday practicality. Whether you're a city commuter or someone who enjoys long, relaxed highway rides, this bike claims to offer the best of both worlds. So, let's find out if it lives up to the expectations. Starting with the exterior, the Avenger 250 continues the legacy of Bajaj's signature cruiser look. It features a low-slung body, wide handlebars, and a long wheelbase that gives it an authoritative presence on the road. The fuel tank has stylish graphics and a sculpted design that complements the retro-modern vibe. The LED DRLs, round headlamp, and blacked-out components all add to its premium appeal. Moving to the interior elements, or more accurately, the rider-focused features, the bike comes equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster that includes a digital speedometer, odometer, trip meter, and a fuel gauge. The low-slung seat with thick cushioning ensures long ride comfort, and the forward-set foot pegs support a relaxed riding posture. Bajaj has also included a backrest for the pillion rider, adding both comfort and safety. Under the hood, the Avenger 250 houses a 248.7cc single-cylinder, oil-cooled engine that delivers around 24.5 PS of power and 21.5 Nm of torque. Mated to a smooth 5-speed gearbox, this engine offers a refined and linear power delivery. Whether you're in city traffic or cruising on the highway, the throttle response remains consistent and predictable. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, tuned for comfort. The bike rides on 17-inch front and 15-inch rear alloy wheels, offering good stability. Braking duties are handled by a front disc and rear drum brake, backed with single-channel ABS for added safety. Speaking of price, the 2024 Bajaj Avenger 250 comes in competitively at approximately R1.60 lakh ex-showroom. For what it offers in terms of engine capacity, cruiser styling, and rider comfort, it's a solid value proposition in the mid-range segment. In terms of safety, apart from the ABS system, the wide tires, long wheelbase, and low center of gravity add to the bike's stable handling.